What's going on, guys? It's your boy Midas, and today I'm gonna show you guys 20 variations of planks that you can do, at any point. You'd want to go for about 30 to 60 seconds for each of this. So if you want to implement this kind of workout into your daily routine, then you'd want to probably do choose about 3 to 5 of these ones and do them, do about 30 to 60 seconds, or just customize it to however you feel like doing it. If you're looking for more challenging workouts, there's an arm workout that I just recently posted. Make sure to check it out. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get this party started, man. Okay guys, so there you have it. 20 variations of planks you can implement into your ab workout routines or just your general workout routines. You don't even have to do all 20 in one go. You can do 5, 6 of them, 7 of them. You can do any amount of them you want to do in one go. Or even just do, about 5 of them. You do it for 30 seconds. Just customize it for how easy it could be for you. And just make sure you're challenging yourself, because if you're not challenging yourself, honestly, you're not really going to be benefiting from this. Thanks for checking the video out. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up. If you need more of a challenging video, that involves planks, make sure to check out my other video on the screen right now. I'll catch you guys in the next one. It's Midas, and I'm out.